In this video, we will tell you the complete process of creating a living room table with wood and epoxy resin. We will discuss each and every point regarding its creation. So, watch the complete video without missing any point. Tables provide a functional surface to place objects, such as food and drink, books, or electronic devices. They can also be used for work, studying, and other activities that require a flat, stable surface. In this way, tables are essential for many aspects of daily life. Tables can also play a crucial role in enhancing the decor of a space. They come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and sizes, so they can be used to create a certain aesthetic or mood in a room. For example, a sleek, modern coffee table can help create a contemporary vibe, while a rustic wooden dining table can add warmth and charm to a space. Before going to discuss the whole steps of its creation, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support. Creating a living room table in wood and epoxy resin can be a beautiful and unique addition to your home decor. Here are the general steps to create such a table. Design the table. Decide on the dimensions and style of the table. This will determine the number of materials required for the project. Gather materials. Purchase the required materials for the project, including wood for the tabletop, epoxy resin, hardener, mixing cups, stir sticks, gloves, and safety goggles. Prepare the wood. Cut the wood to the desired size and shape of the tabletop. Sand and finish the wood to your liking. Ensure the wood is completely dry and free of debris before moving on to the next step. Create the resin mix. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to mix the epoxy resin and hardener in a mixing cup. Make sure to mix thoroughly to avoid any unevenness in the final product. Pour the resin. Pour the mixed resin onto the surface of the wood, spreading it evenly with a stir stick or scraper. If you want to create a layered effect, pour a small amount of resin onto the wood and allow it to partially cure before adding another layer. Allow the resin to cure. Allow the resin to cure for the recommended time specified by the manufacturer, which typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Keep the table in a well-ventilated area during this time. Sand and finish the resin. Once the resin is cured, sand the surface to remove any imperfections or roughness. You can then apply a clear coat or finish to the surface to give it a smooth and polished look. Attach the legs. Attach the legs to the underside of the table using screws or other hardware, making sure they are sturdy and level. There are some important things to consider when making a high-quality resin table. 1. Choice of resin. Select a high-quality epoxy resin that is specifically designed for creating a table. Different resins have different properties, so choose one that suits your project's requirements. 2. Proper mixing. Accurate mixing of the resin and hardener is essential to ensure a strong and durable table. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to achieve the correct mixing ratio and ensure that all components are thoroughly combined. 3. Surface preparation. The surface where the resin will be applied must be clean, dry, and free from any dust or debris. Any imperfections in the surface can affect the final appearance and strength of the table. 4. Temperature control. The temperature of the workspace and materials can significantly affect the curing time and final finish of the resin. Keep the workspace at a consistent temperature and ensure that the resin and hardener are stored and mixed at the recommended temperature. 5. Adding pigments and dyes. Adding pigments or dyes to the resin can enhance the appearance of the table. However, it is essential to choose high-quality products that are specifically designed for use with resin and follow the recommended guidelines for the correct ratio and timing of adding pigments. 6. Bubble removal. Air bubbles can form during the mixing and pouring process, which can mar the final finish of the table. A heat gun or torch can be used to remove bubbles from the surface, and a vacuum chamber can be used to remove bubbles from the mixed resin. 7. Curing time. Resin needs sufficient time to cure and harden properly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the recommended curing time, and avoid moving or using the table until it is fully cured. By paying attention to these important factors, you can ensure that your resin table will be of high quality and will last for a long time. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell beside. It helps us spread the word and reach out more like-minded people like yourself. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.